Look for this switch on the side of the front seats. Slide it forward or backward, and the seat will move in that direction. Push down or pull up on the switch to move the seat up or down, or to adjust the angle of the seat. Push this switch backward to recline the seat, or forward to bring the seat upright. The lumbar support feature, if so equipped, provides lower back support to the front seats. Use this switch to adjust the lumbar support. This switch, if so equipped, is used to adjust the side support. The seats can also be adjusted by using the center display, touch settings, vehicle, seat, front power seat adjustment. Then use the keys to adjust the seats. To adjust the second row seat, pull up on this lever to slide the seat forward or backward. Pull this lever and push the seat backward to recline, or lean forward to bring the seat upright. The second row seats can be tipped forward for easy access to the third row seats. Lift this lever to tip the seats forward. To recline the third row seat back, push and hold the rear side of the switch located near the third row cup holders. To move the seat back forward, push and hold the front side of the switch. To fold the second row seats flat, pull up on this lever, or use these switches marked L for left and R for right on the passenger side of the cargo area. Pull up on the seat back to return the seat upright. Use these switches to fold the third row seats up or down. Push this side of the switch to fold up, or this side to fold down. A beep will sound once when the seat begins to fold and twice when it is complete. The seats can also be folded by using the center display, touch settings, vehicle, seat, power folding rear seats. Then use the keys to fold the seats. When returning any seat back to the upright position, always be certain it is completely secured in the latched position. It may be necessary to remove the rear seat headrests or head restraints before folding the rear seats. If you have removed or adjusted the headrests or head restraints, reinstall and properly adjust them before an occupant uses these seating positions. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.